In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a completed DocuSign document step by step. If you've recently sent out an envelope for signature and now need a copy for your records, your client, or for compliance purposes, this is the quickest and easiest way to do it. I'll walk you through everything from logging in to downloading the final signed PDF. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the DocuSign website. Log into your account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, you'll land on the home screen where you can see your recent activity and documents. From here, look toward the top navigation menu and click on Agreements. This section is where DocuSign stores all of your envelopes, whether they are drafts, sent, completed, or declined. Clicking on Agreements will take you to a full overview of your document activity. Once you're inside the Agreements section, the next step is to click on Envelopes. This is where all the documents you've sent out for signature are organized. DocuSign categorizes envelopes by their status, which makes it very easy to find exactly what you're looking for. After clicking Envelopes, you'll see different filtering options that help you narrow down the list. Now, to download a completed document, click on Sent. This will display all the envelopes that you have sent to recipients. From here, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the specific document you need. If the document has already been signed and completed, its status will typically show as completed in the list. This makes it easy to confirm you're selecting the correct file. Next, click directly on the document you want to download. This will open the detailed view of that specific envelope. Inside this view, you'll be able to see the document history, recipient activity, timestamps, and the overall status. This page gives you a complete audit trail, which is especially useful if you need proof of signing or verification details. Now, here's the key step. In the top right corner of the document details page, look for the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take on the envelope. From the list of options that appears, click on Download. After clicking Download, DocuSign will prepare the completed document file. In most cases, it will download as a PDF that includes the signed document along with the certificate of completion. This certificate is important because it contains the audit trail, including IP addresses, timestamps, and signature verification details. Once the file finishes downloading, you can open it from your computer and store it wherever you need, whether that's a local folder, a cloud storage system, or forwarding it to a client. And that's it. That's how you download a completed DocuSign document quickly and easily. As a quick recap, go to Agreements, click on Envelopes, select Send, open your completed document, click the three dots, and choose Download. It only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward DocuSign and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.